Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix iPhone not ringing in chemicals. Missing an important call is very upsetting when your phone isn't ringing or notifying you properly. And here are the effective steps to fix an iPhone that it's not ringing for incoming calls. First, check the ring or silent switch on the side of your iPhone and make sure it's not on silent mode. Increase the ringer volume via settings, sounds and haptics, ringer and alerts, and make sure to increase the volume up. Turn up Do Not Disturb or Focus mode via settings, focus, and disable all active modes. Make sure allow calls from is set correctly. Via focus, tap on any mode that is active and tap people. Then tap the allow calls from and make sure it is set to favorites. Disable silence and on colors. In the same settings, set silence and on colors to off or choose allow notifications from. Check Bluetooth. Via settings, Bluetooth, turn it off to avoid routing sound elsewhere. Check call audio routing via settings, accessibility, touch, call audio routing, and set it to automatic. Restart your iPhone, then update iOS via settings again, general, software update, and install any available updates. Turn off announce calls via settings again, apps, phone, announce calls, and set it to never. Reset network settings via settings again, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset, then reset network settings. And lastly is to contact your carrier or Apple support if the issue continues. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.